I accidentally made $1,687 just by talking to my phone. And no, I didn't have to go viral, sell a course, or beg brands to sponsor me. One video got 120k views and made me $609. The rest, some brought in $5, some $60, all from what most people ignore, UGC. Let me take you back for 2 months. I was doing what most creators do, posting reels, testing hooks, chasing the algorithm, but still not making real money from it. And then one night I'm scrolling Instagram just looking for content ideas, and I found this app called Whop. At first I thought it was just another random platform, but then I saw Iman Gadzhi had become a partner, and that's exactly what made me stop scrolling. Like, if someone at that level is involved, maybe this isn't just another shiny tool. So I kept digging. Turns out they were paying creators to make videos about their product, but it wasn't the typical brand deal setup. It felt more like if you can tell a good story, shoot a clean video and hold attention, they will pay you. So I started researching. I didn't wait for permission. I looked at what was already working on TikTok, rewrote in my own style and shot my first video. I used my old iPhone, a $30 mic from Amazon, a $60 softbox and just a clean script. Nothing fancy, no overthinking, just a straight high converting hook and a story that people actually watched. The first one popped off, 120k views and $609 in my bank account. But it wasn't a fluke. Every other video brought something, $5, $30, $60, and they stacked. And total $1,687, not from brand deals, not from affiliate links, not from some viral overnight moment. Just UGC video that made sense with storytelling that actually converts. So the truth behind it, most creators wait too long to monetize. They think they need a big audience, perfect gear, or a manager to get them paid. But brands don't care about your follower count, they care about how well you can deliver a message that drives clicks. And this shifted my whole mindset. When you know how to speak to the camera and connect with a specific person, money comes in weird ways. Even from apps you find scrolling at midnight. Now this is the biggest question. Is this the business model that will make you a millionaire? Probably not, but that's not the point. The point is, once you learn the skill of creating UGC that actually converts, you can get paid before you build your dream brand. And you don't need 10k followers, you don't need to go viral every single day. You just need a mic, a script, and a reason to press record. For me, this was the easiest money I've made with content so far. Not passive, not lucky, just simple. So if you want me to break down how I structure my UGC videos, hooks, angles, editing, just drop a comment and I'll do a full video on that next.